brake. Put one hand here. You pushing the brake, push it. You're gonna move this to here. Well, to here. Okay.
Neutral.
Drive. Reverse, neutral, drive. Push the brake. All the way down. Okay. Slowly bring your foot off the gas, off the brake. You're good. Just get a feel for it. All right. Look in front of you. Take your foot off the brake.
Wait, why is it driving by itself?
Because it has power. Just keep it in the middle. Can you see? Okay. Now you can press the gas very lightly. Keep your eyes up. Press it a little bit more. Okay, you want to ease your foot on the brake very slowly. Ease your foot on the brake. Press it slowly. The brake.
I am.
Okay, bring it to a stop. Okay. Go ahead, press it again. Take your foot off the brake. Press the gas slightly. A little bit more. A little bit more. You want to press it slightly, okay? Alright, bring the car over slightly. Put your foot on the brake. Let it glide to the stop sign. Straighten your wheel. Alright, press the brake. Come to a stop. Okay, you want to check. Let it move up a little bit more. There you go. You're going to go through there. Okay?
Where? Up there?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, here or where?
There. Keep it straight.
I'm good at this.
You're not. Just relax.
No.
You're not bad, but you're not good. Come on. I want you to come over slightly this way. Stay out of the white lines. You're going to pull into a parking spot. One of these.
These are the
One of those. Keep going.
forward or back?
Forward. Go ahead, turn it. Turn it hard. No, you're good. Turn it. There you go. Brakes. If it was a car right there, we would have hit it. Now you're going to straighten your wheel. Nope. Keep your foot on the brake. Keep your foot on the brake. Turn your wheel. This way. This way. There you go. Turn your wheel. Turn it. Turn a little bit more. Turn it a little bit more this way. Okay. Now, foot on the brake. Put it in reverse. Right there. Now turn your wheel this way. And slightly take your foot off the brake. Turn it. Turn it. There you go. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it this way. Back out. Brake. Okay. So wait. Turn your wheel slightly that way, and then put it in drive. Ease your foot off the brake slowly. Put it in drive. Slowly ease your foot off the brake and get your car that way. There you go. Now straighten it up. Straighten it up. If it's cars, no, straight. There you go, right there. If it was cars over here, we'd hit them. Stay straight in the middle. You're good. Give it a little gas. A little bit more. Okay, start braking slowly. Because you got to stop right here to make sure nobody's coming.